Welcome to the video on Introduction to SAP 2000. In this video, you will learn about the basic options used in the SAP software. Open the SAP 2000 software. As you can see, all the menu options, except File menu, are disabled. They are enabled only when you open an existing file, or create a new file, from the File menu. Under the File menu, you have the Import option, to import files from different formats, like SAP database and spreadsheet files, frameworks, AutoCAD, Revit files, etc. Click on File menu, and select New Model. You are doing this to enable all the other menu options, and explore them. The New Model dialog has two options for initialization. One is Initialize Model from Defaults with Units. And the other one is Initialize Model from an existing file. The Initialize Model from Defaults with Units option enables you to select the base units, which you will use to make your model in SAP. The Initialize Model from an existing file option enables you to import the units and other already defined properties in a previously saved file. Since we normally use kilonewton, meter, Celsius as units for force, length, and temperature in India, we are using these units for all our models in this course. Select kilonewton, meter, Celsius from the drop-down list, after selecting Initialize Model from Default with Units. We will repeat this step for starting all our models in this course. In the Modify or Show Information option, under the Project Information tab, you can enter all the relevant details of your project, as shown. These details will be printed in the project report generated by SAP once your model is designed. Select blank from the Select Template menu. A new file is created, and all the menu options are now enabled. Whenever you open a new file, two tabs are opened by default. You can use these two tabs to switch between the three views in two-dimensional plane, that is, XY, XZ, YZ, and the three-dimensional space. You have to select the particular tab you want to change the view, and then select from the view options above. For your convenience, it is recommended to use one tab in 3D, and one tab in one of the 2D views, based on your model and the stage of your project. Depending on your work, you can even add more tabs, if you want to have more than two view angles. Select the down arrow on the existing tab, and select Add New Window to do that. Then, you can set which view you want in the tab from the options above. Please note that you can even change the views later on. The Edit menu allows you to perform basic editing options on your model. The View menu has different options for viewing and navigating the model. In the Define menu, you have all the options to define the various properties of materials, sections, loads, etc., which you will be assigning on the model. The options in the Draw menu enable you to select the different elements that you will draw on the model. These are shortcuts for the Draw menu option in the vertical left pane of your SAP interface. You can identify them by matching the icons, or hovering your cursor over the shortcut icons, which will show what option they mean. The Select menu enables you to select or deselect a particular set of elements in your model. The Assign menu has all the options to assign different element properties and loads. Please note that, in order to assign any property, which is not present by default in the software, you have to define it beforehand. The options in the Analyze menu allow you to perform analysis on the model you have created. The Display menu has all the options for displaying the different properties, load assigned and analysis results in the different view tabs. In the Design menu, you have the options for running design check on the model, which has been analyzed. The Options menu enables you to change some miscellaneous things in your file. The Tools menu has the Add or Show plugin option, which allows you to use additional features in the program. The CSI Load Optimizer is one of the features present by default, in which you can determine an optimal set of loads in a structural model. The Help menu will open the the SAP 2000 guidebook, which you might need for any assistance. It also has options that provide various information, like software version, available updates, etc. The toolbar below the menu bar mainly has shortcuts for commonly used options from the menu bar. The lock or unlock option is used to change or freeze the model properties. For instance, the software automatically locks your model while you run analysis results. After the analysis is done, if you want to change any property in your model, you have to unlock your model first. This will delete the analysis results, but not any properties assigned to the model. The up and down arrows enable you to move up or down in the Z-axis in the selected tab. This finishes the introduction to SAP 2000 software. In the next video, you will learn the basic drawings and operations used in SAP 2000. Thanks for watching.